Darling, it's better down where it's wetter under the sea. Welcome to 2,000 atmospheres. This is the map. I like this music a lot as well, by the way. If anyone knows the name of this track, please let me know. I've been trying to find it on YouTube, but I can't find it. I love this. Anyway, so we're on 2,000 atmospheres, and as you can tell by this fish, we're underwater, which is just cool. Doesn't do anything gameplay-wise, but like, you know, it's just cool, isn't it? It's underwater. I'm not sure what the logistics of this is, but like, you know, there's a map similar to this one currently on ladder that's also underneath the water, underneath the sea, but that one's got like a sea monster thing you can kind of see its shadow of. It's kind of cool. But no, this one's a little different. Anywho, so straight up openings for both players again. And look at this, it's like these little domes, like there's some kind of civilization down here. What else is there in this map? More fish. This is a nice map. I like it here. When things start dying, I'll be able to show you what being under the sea has as an effect on, you know, the ragdoll physics and stuff, and that's really cool. We'll get to that, but it looks like that's not going to happen right now. Well, because it's the early stage of the game, and there's no cheese in sight, at least, as I can tell. What else? Well, there's like sand and stuff, isn't there? And like, whatever that is, there's like dome and all these funky plants. I like that. Look, all those bubbles. Okay, the orbital command going to be put down, and a expand. And are we going to see marine come out of this, or are we going to see a... Okay, we're going to see a reactor first once again. Okay, that's fine. That's all right. And side core coming down for the Protoss, as per usual, and decently well timed, I think. And, yeah, so these early stages of the game, really not much to discuss, other than this lovely, lovely map. There's at least 3 of these underwater maps. I like them. I like them. I just think it's fun. I don't know which one came first. Really. This SCV hard at work. Okay, so it looks like the Protoss was supply blocked in the early game. Don't let this happen to you. Get supply blocked in the early game and have to build 3 pylons at once. No. You want to, like, you know, be a steady stream. You want to, like, when you're, like, doing your macro, you want to, like, think of it in, like, happening in cycles. And in those cycles, you want to schedule in, okay, I'm going to build some kind of supply thing here, so, you know, you keep up with it. If that makes any sense. But, we're going to see, well, we're not going to see much of anything right now. Although, different tech choice for the Protoss. While the Twilight Council does come down, rather than Templar Archives or Stargate, we're going to see an early Robo. What this means is yet to be seen. Looks like a Stalker is going to be chronoed out. I'm not sure what that necessarily says. Like, you know, if it's just going to sit there, the chrono didn't really do much, did it? You know? Other than maybe defend you from, oh no, Marines. Like, oh dear. Oh no! Okay, here comes charge. Charge in production. Nice. Like to see that. Early charge dot pressure would be fun, wouldn't it? That'd be nice. Better than, you know, the kind of just inactive macro game we're seeing from these players right now. Which is fine. It's okay to play this way. Just, you know, not much is happening. This is, you know, just not much to say, is there? I'm sure it'll all kick off soon. And once first blood is drawn, I'll have a lot to say. So, I did see an observer in production. I don't think we saw any observers from Eli in the previous game. Yeah, just checking I haven't missed anything there. This observer hopefully gonna poke around and see some stuff that the Terran is up to. They're not gonna see anything alarming, but you know, they might see something that helps them, maybe. Besides, vision of your opponent's stuff is always good, so it doesn't hurt. As it is, the observer's gonna go into this bush area. Alright, stim and combat shield and level 1 inventory upgrades, makes sense. Okay, so it's gonna go into observer mode above the Zelnaga tower. Huh? Why not, like, see what your opponent's doing? The path to you does... I think it does. Unless you break these rocks, in which case then it doesn't. But... You know, I don't know about that. I guess you may catch a move out, but you could have definitely done that if you put your observer like here. So, you know, not very stonks. Not very stonks. We're gonna see another observer. Is it even an observer? I don't think it is an observer mode. I think I'm tripping. Yeah, it's not. I don't think so. Another observer gonna go out. We're gonna have to see where this one goes. This observer on the move. Make sure you put them in observer mode so they can actually observe things better than they can right now. You get like bigger sight range. Okay, now we're gonna come closer to the base. This move out probably is noticed, or at least should have been noticed by... No, I don't think they saw it on the mini-mode. I don't think it happened. Yeah, okay, so never mind. Here comes the army, though, and it's substantially bigger than what Eli has. Can they defend this? I don't think so. The Dark Shrine isn't even finished, so there won't be any invisible men, at least not yet. It's just finished up now, and instead we're just going to see the Terran walk in and kill everything. Yeah, there's just nothing to defend this. One Dark Templar in production, but a Stan would put quick work at that with this many Marines. Yeah, once again, Jet, you've just built more stuff and you're killing things. So you may have noticed that if a Marine dies here, I really want a Marine to die. You look at that probe fly up into the air. I love that. Here he goes. Whee! I love that. Whee! Up into the surface of the water. Sky comes down. There goes the Invisible Man. And these probes are going to fly up to the sky. Well, the surface of the ocean, I suppose. I love that. I do love this about this map. Here comes... This is a unit I haven't seen in the tournament yet. A disruptor. Fire a disruptor ball. Kill this. Do it. Fire your shot. Oh, you missed it. No, that would have been so juicy. And yeah, the game is... as far as I'm aware, as far as I'm concerned, this game is over. Like, there's nothing the Protoss can do at this stage to come back. Like, yes, they're going to clean up these Marines with the Dark Templars, but it's just over at this point. The Terran is so far ahead. And yeah, realizing this, Eli's going to throw in the towel. So, 2-0 in this round 2 game to the Terran Jet. GG's, everybody.